In this last section, we explore imaginary numbers and complex numbers. So, the first question wants us to find the square root of negative 25. Well, that's not too bad, because I know that the negative sign can be addressed with the square root of negative 1 and then the 25. And the square root of negative 1 is I. The square root of 25 is 5. So my final answer is 5i. In 26, sort of the same things going on there. Okay, I got square root of negative 100. I could break that down as negative 1 times the square root of 100. Square root of negative 1 is I. Square root of 100 is 10. So I get 10i. Okay, number 27 asks me to add. So what I'm going to do is, because those are plus, I can just drop the parentheses, and then I'm just going to combine like terms. 5i plus 3i is 8i. 8 minus 9 is negative 1. But when we write complex numbers, the i's come last. So, trade sides. That becomes negative 1 plus 8. Okay, number 28. Okay, it's subtraction. Remember my hint that when you're doing subtraction, you want to distribute first. So 4i minus 5 minus 8i plus 9. Okay, negative times positive is a negative. Negative times negative is a positive. So combine like terms. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Negative 5 plus 9 is positive 4. Number 29. Okay, we are being asked to multiply. So we have 2i plus 3 times I minus 4. So you could FOIL or box it, whatever you so choose. I chose to FOIL it. So 2i times I is 2i squared. 2i times negative 4 is negative 8. 3 times I is 3i. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Combine the middle there. We get 2i squared minus 5i minus 12. But I squared, I could write as negative 1. So that means that I need to simplify that again. So I get negative 2 minus 5i minus 12. Then combine like terms. Negative 2 minus 12 is negative 14. But with a complex number, the i's come last. So we could trade places. Negative 14 minus 5i. And now, last question, another foiling question. Okay. Is number 30. 3i plus 1 times 2i plus 7. Foil it out. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. I times I was I squared. 1 times 2i is 2i. 1 times 7 is 7. 6i squared. Okay. Combine like terms here. 21 plus 2 is 23i plus 7. 6, then I squared is actually negative 1. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Combine like terms. Negative 6 plus 7 is positive 1. But you don't want to have the i's first in complex numbers. So technically, it's just 1 plus 23i. Would I mark this incorrect? Would I mark this incorrect on the test? Absolutely not. They are correct. Okay? But it's like anything else. There is a better way of writing it. But with these, I would not make even a deduction. Okay? So these responses would be perfectly acceptable. Okay? Guys, if you have further questions, Okay. You're welcome to message me on Edmodo. You're welcome to message me on Twitter. If you can, take a still of your work, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. If you're going to message me with questions like that, it is best to use Twitter because I can get that anywhere, and the app works fine. So, thank you very much, guys, and good luck.